Hannah Hippo's Horrible Hiccups by Barbara De Robertis, illustrated by R.W. Alley. Hannah Hippo was humming a happy tune as she left Alphabetis School. She was hoping to have a heap of Homer Hug's heavenly huckleberry muffins. Hannah was a happy hippo, but like all hippos, she was hungry, very hungry at the end of the day. And nothing made her tummy happier than those huckleberry muffins. Hannah saw Homer Hog's bakery at the top of the hill ahead. Hi ho! Hum de hum! Hippity hop! Here I come! Hannah hollered. Hannah happily began to hop up the hill. Soon she was huffing and puffing. It was a high hill. Hannah hauled her heavy feet higher and higher. This is hard work, she said. But the hope of having Homer Hog's heavenly huckleberry muffins helped her along. Here I come, Homer, she hollered ahead. Homer hollered back. Hurry, Hannah! Have some huckleberry muffins while they're hot. That was just what Hannah needed to hear. She hustled right to the top of that hill. Hannah was very happy to see Homer. She gave him a huge hippo hug. Hi, Homer, she said. I'll have a hic, 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 hic. Oh no, said Hannah unhappily. I have hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. I can't eat huckleberry muffins while I have hiccups. How horrible, Hannah, said Homer. Try holding your breath. Hannah held her breath. Then she hiccuped again. Hic! Hold your breath and hop up and down, said Homer. Hannah held her breath. She hopped up and down. And then she hiccuped again. Hannah hauled. Please help me, Homer. Here, said Homer. Have a hot cup of tea with honey. Hannah held the cup of tea. She had a sip. She had another sip. She had still another sip. And then Hannah hiccuped harder than ever. Hic! Hannah was very unhappy and very hungry. She tried to hide her huge tears from Homer. Suddenly, she heard a humongous squawk. Hanny hopped high in the sky. Hoppin' hippos, Hannah hollered. What was that? Hi, Hannah, said Hilda Hen. I heard your hiccups, so I hurried over to help. You gave me a horrible scare, Hilda, said Hannah. But Hannah, said Homer, that horrible scare must have helped. I don't hear any more hiccups. You're right, said Hannah happily, and she gave Hilda Hen a huge hippo hug. Hilda, said Hannah, let's both have some of Homer's huckleberry muffins. Oh, happy day, said Hilda. Homer handed them a plate of hot muffins. They looked absolutely heavenly. Thank you, Homer, said Hilda. Thank you, Homer, said Hannah. And Homer said, Hic! The end.